Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a Toyota Camry headlight bulb. First, make sure your vehicle is turned off and the engine is cool. You'll need a new headlight bulb, which you can find at any auto parts store. It's also a good idea to have a pair of gloves handy. This helps protect the new bulb from oils on your skin, which can shorten its lifespan. Safety first, so let's get started. Now, open your car's hood. Look behind the headlight assembly. You'll see the back of the bulb housing. There's usually a dust cover or an electrical connector. Gently twist the electrical connector counterclockwise to unlock it. Once unlocked, you can carefully pull it straight off the bulb. Be gentle to avoid damaging any wires or clips. With the connector removed, you can now access the old bulb. Twist the bulb itself counterclockwise, usually about 1/4 of a turn, and then pull it straight out. Take your new bulb, holding it only by its base with your gloves. Carefully insert it into the housing, aligning the tabs. Twist it clockwise to lock it into place, ensuring it feels secure. Finally, reattach the electrical connector to the new bulb. Push it firmly until you hear or feel a click, ensuring a secure connection. Before closing the hood, turn on your car's headlights to confirm the new bulb is working properly. Check both low and high beams. If everything looks good, you can now close the hood and enjoy your bright new headlight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.